Hello everyone. Today we will solve a little problem in Android Studio. So take a look in Android Studio what the problem is. So open Android Studio. My version is 24.1.1. So this problem is look like that. This sometime the editor text remain English, but the IDE itself changes the unreadable text. So to solve this problem, we need to change the font of the IDE. To change the font, just to File and Settings and type here the fonts. But my text is unreadable, so wait a little bit. This problem happened when the memory is not loaded correctly, so wait a little bit for loaded completely. So that is the font section. Just you need to change font from here and apply. Just change the font, anything you want, and press apply. Or you can just reset from here, though it's not readable. Just change the font and apply and press OK and close the IDE and open again. You can see our problem is solved. Actually this problem happened for the memory not loaded correctly or low memory error. Now go to settings and fonts, then click restore defaults and press apply, press OK. This is a quick solution of this problem. If you want to avoid this error, you need to update the IDE. And thanks for watching.